Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment from a Euro USD perspective? Now on the daily, we can see that the market has created this very nice W formation, and actually it is creating this very nice W formation, and we would like to see the market from this area make a nice move to the downside, basically reject this zone. Now, what did we know at the beginning? We know that we have very strong support at this level and very strong resistance at this level. So the market has been rejecting this support and multiple times and rejecting this resistance. So what does it mean? It means that the market is moving inside of this range. Now, when a market is moving inside of a range, specifically if it creates a W formation, that is a very good opportunity to be looking at possible selling opportunities from the top of the range, confirmed by this W formation, and obviously only if we will see proper confirmations from a 4-hour perspective. Now, if we go and see what we have, if we check the data, so commitment of traders, what hedge funds are doing at the moment in the market on the euro, is definitely something that can help us understand what is going on. Now, if we check the data for the euro, which is actually Euro USD, because all currencies on the spot are traded against the USD, we can see that overall with the last report, shorts have already started to being added in the past weeks. So short position building has been added. Then yes, it's true. A lot of longs have been added as well. And in fact, we have seen this support actually hold, but this won't stop basically a nice distribution from the top of the range for a possible move to the downside. So going back to the chart, how we will be approaching this with students. Now, at the moment, obviously the market hasn't really reached the best area possible to be looking for potential shorting opportunities, nor shown any weakness at the moment. Everything is absolutely very bullish. And if everything will be bullish all the time, obviously there is no way to be looking for a short from this area. Trading is reactive, not predictive. Just because we want to see the market reject this area doesn't mean that immediately we can be taking a short from here. We have to see proper confirmation from a 4-hour perspective. But what we do know is that there is the possibility inside of this area to find a good risk to reward opportunity to the downside with a good probability of the market actually completing this pattern. So how we will be approaching this market with students? We will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will shift from a bullish market to a bearish market inside of this area from a 4-hour perspective and provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking a nice short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for this move to the downside, completion of the pattern at the neckline, aka the previous resistance, now turned support. So this is overall what we have on Euro USD, the most traded pair in the market. If you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure to drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.